Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the photo into Photopea and duplicating the background layer so you keep an untouched original. Once done, rename the duplicate to work and turn the original off. This gives you a safety net. Make sure you're at 100% zoom for precise edits, and enable snap if you need alignment guides. Next, add a new empty layer above work for non-destructive painting. This lets you test color and retouch without altering pixels permanently. Now isolate the face region with the lasso or pen tool, then feather the selection by 1 to 3 pixels to blend edges smoothly. Once selected, use the clone stamp at low opacity and the healing brush to remove blemishes and texture inconsistencies on the work layer. Sample nearby skin often. After cleanup, create a curves or color balance adjustment layer and clip it to the face to correct tone and contrast. This lets you control brightness and color. Finish by duplicating the clean face, then apply very subtle liquify movements at about 10 to 20% strength, small nudges only, so proportions stay natural. For skin smoothing, use frequency separation or a low opacity brush on a separate layer to preserve texture while evening tones. Once done, check edges and overall color. If something looks off, reduce layer opacity or paint on the layer mask to blend. If severe mismatch persists, revert to the original layer and redo small steps rather than large, destructive changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.